Okay. Hi students. Okay, so we did prerequisites last class and we're doing the same thing this time also. This time it's a little smaller but it is thoda sa technical. So we'll need to put our mind in it, okay? So now look. My question is express 0.777 in P by Q form. Okay? Now there is a P by Q form which is basically a way of writing a fraction. Okay? Now I am taking 0.777 as x. ठीक है? Now 0.777 also means कि 7 बार बार आ रहा है, which means कि 7 is recurring. So I'm going to write it as 0.7 recurring. Okay? Now we multiply each side with 10. Now look. Over here I'm saying x is equal to 0.777. ठीक है? Now I am telling you multiply each side by 10. So 10 into x is equal to 0.777 into x what is my this thing into 0.7 into 10 sorry into 10. ठीक है? I have told you multiply each side with 10. Okay, so now 10 into x is 10x, correct? And 0.777 into 10. Okay, 10 sevens are 70, 10 sevens are 70 plus 7 which is 77, 10 sevens are 70 plus 7 77, and 10 zeros are 0 but there is a 7 here, so I'm going to bring it down here. Now what do I have over here is 7.77 recurring. Okay, so 7.7 I'm going to put recurring dot. ठीक है? So what do I have? 10x is equal to 7.7 recurring. Now ये मेरे को मिल गया. ठीक है? Now we have to subtract x from each side. ठीक है? Now I have equation as 10x is equal to 7.7 recurring, and now I am telling you subtract x. So 10x minus x is equal to 7.7 recurring minus 0.7 recurring. Now look, I have already told you x is equal to 0.777 और 0.7 recurring. ठीक है? ये मैंने आपको ऑलरेडी बता दिया है. ओवर हियर इंस्टेड ऑफ डूइंग 7.7 recurring minus 0.7 recurring, इफ आई डू 7.7 recurring minus x, मेरे को कुछ नहीं मिलने वाला है. ओके, मेरे को ऑलरेडी पता है कि x इज 0.7 recurring, तो मैं यहाँ पे बिकॉज यहाँ पे नंबर है, so I'm just going to put the number, the value of x, and over here I'll put x because यहाँ पे भी x है. Now look, 10x minus x is 9x, which is equal to 7.7 recurring minus 0.7 recurring. recurring काट देते हैं. 7 minus 7 0.7. 9x is equal to 7. See, do I have 9x is equal to 7 here? Sorry. See, 9x is equal to 7. Now 9x is equal to 7. I have told you give me P by Q form. Is this P by Q? No. So what am I going to do? I have to take this 9 also. Now I have to find x. So x is equal to 7 by, ये multiplication में है, I'll take it as division. So I have x is equal to 7 by 9. X is also equal to 0.7, right? See, x is equal to 7 by 9. X is also equal to 0.7 recurring, which means 7 by 9 is equal to 0.7 recurring. Simple है. It's very simple. All we step is very simple. Now look, something very very important to remember over here is two things. Okay, first thing is, if I ever give you a sum, you're going to look at how many numbers are there after the decimal. So for example, over here we had 0.7 recurring. So point ke baad we only had one number, right? So I'm going to multiply with 10. Okay, say if I give you 0.356 recurring, then you're going to do kitne numbers hai? 1 2 3. So I'm going to put 1 2 3 zeros and 1. Say if I give you 0.47, again kitne numbers hai? 1 2. So 2 zeros and 100. So आपका मल्टीप्लीकेशन यहाँ पे जैसे 10 से किया है, योर मल्टीप्लीकेशन विल डिपेंड ऑन रेकर, कितने नंबर्स रेकर हो रहे हैं ना. इफ फॉर एग्जाम्पल यहाँ पे मैंने 777 दिया था स्ट्रेटेजिकली, करेक्ट, पर आपको दिख रहा है कि ये रिपीट हो रहा है तो सिर्फ आप एक बार लिखोगे. ओके, ओवर हियर इफ आई गिव यू 0.356356, नाउ यू आर नॉट गोइंग टू बी लाइक 1 2 3 4 5 6. No, यू आर गोइंग टू सी 356, फिर 356 आ रहा है, 2 बार आ रहा है, मतलब बार बार आ रहा है, एक पैटर्न है 356 का. सो वॉट यू आर गोइंग टू डू इज 0.356 recurring, which is equal to 1 2 3,000. Okay, something very very simple to remember. ठीक है, now okay, now look at this. ठीक है, now I've solved 3 sums like this for you to look at. ठीक है, again same way, x is equal to 0.372 recurring. So 372 है, इसका मतलब I have taken 1000. Okay, I am going to multiply by 1000 on both the sides. So I am going to do 0.372 into 372 0.372372 into 1000. I get 372.372 recurring is equal to 1000x. Look, how did I get that? 0.372372 into 1000. ठीक है, now you're just going to multiply this and you're going to get 372.372 and that will be your recurring. ठीक है, so I got 372.372 recurring is equal to 1000x. We multiplied. Now what we're going to do, we're going to subtract. So over here we're going to do 372.372 minus 0.372, x मेरा 0.372 था, is equal to 1000x minus x, which is going to give me 372 is equal to 999x. Then same thing we did in this, oh no, I'm not showing you. And then over here 372.372 minus 0.372 is equal to 1000 minus x, which gives me 372 equals to 999x, which gives me x equals to 372 by 999. Okay, now the same way I have solved a third sum also, which you are going to look at. ठीक है, now irrational numbers and real numbers. What is that? ठीक है, an irrational number cannot be written as a fraction. A number which cannot be written as a fraction is an irrational number. Now most of the time irrational numbers are like root numbers. ठीक है, how do I write a root in fraction? It's very difficult. They can be written as decimal, but the decimal is non-terminating and shows no pattern. So they are saying कि irrational numbers को I can write as a decimal. ठीक है, मैं decimal तक तो कर सकती हूँ, पर प्रॉब्लम क्या है, दिस डेसिमल एक तो कभी ख़त्म नहीं होता है, इट कीप्स कमिंग अगेन एंड अगेन एंड अगेन, मतलब कोई ना कोई नंबर आता रहता है. एंड प्रॉब्लम क्या है, ये नॉन रेकरिंग है, मतलब जैसे वी कैन सी अ पैटर्न लाइक 0.352352 और 0.02020202. आई डोंट सी अ पैटर्न इन दिस. सो फॉर एग्जाम्पल √2 का पॉइंट इज डेसिमल इज 1.41421 एंड ये ऐसे ही चलता रहता है, रैंडम नंबर्स आते रहेंगे, but there is no pattern. Therefore, root 2 is a irrational number. Okay. Now, what is a root? We know root, we've done root 100 times, we've done root. What is a root? It is when a number is multiplied by itself, it becomes the root of the answer obtained. So 2 into 2 is equal to 4. Therefore, root of 4 is 2. Correct? 3 into 3 is equal to 9, and therefore root 9 is 3. We know how to solve for root, guys. Okay. In these examples, the number is being multiplied 2 times. Hence, the root obtained is the second root or square root. Okay? However, in another example, for example, 4 into 4 into 4 is equal to 64. Now, over here, I've only multiplied it 3 into 3. मैंने सिर्फ एक बार 3 को अपने आप से मल्टीप्लाई किया है. यहाँ पे इफ़ आई हैव मल्टीप्लाइड इट ट्वाइस, सो विच इज़ 4 into 4 into 4, which is equal to 64, it becomes cube root. Now, cube में you need to write this 3 over here. Otherwise, if you don't write this 3, I will think it is a square and not a cube. Okay. When a number is multiplied thrice to obtain a number, it is the cube root of the number. Okay. Now I have a very small exercise for you to finish today. You just need to finish this question number 7 and question number 8. Okay. I have given you small hints also, so it should not be difficult. It's just 2 questions. It's barely what 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 and 9. There's just 10 questions. It's going to not take you more than 1 hour. So I want all the work coming in today by 7:30 p.m.